What's your favorite size paring knife? Mine is a 3.5 incher. I happen to have a new one here from Slicex. Now I do have to tell you they sent it to me to review, but gave me no instructions in terms of what I'm supposed to say or not. So I'm opening up. I know as much as you know, maybe not. I know a little bit more than you, but we need to test it out to see if it's any good. So let's first take a look at it. Wasn't joking when I said I like the 3.5 inch blade. I find it's great for most things I need to like kind of carve and cut up, that kind of stuff. So this is a full tang, which means it's one solid piece of metal which goes all the way through the knife. You can actually see it on either side of the handle here. Handle has 3 nice rivets holding it together. Should be nice and solid for a very long time. By the way, if you like this, if I'm giving you good information, give us one of those likes, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if there are other knives you want me to talk about. So how about we cut some stuff up, make sure it's good, all right? Let's start with the easy stuff. Let's slice up some watermelon. Wah! Look at that. This watermelon happens to look particularly delicious, probably because I picked it out. But yeah, so that worked great, nice and easy. Now we're gonna give it a real challenge. So I have a nice, big, chunky, delicious piece of ham here, which I used the big honking knife to get down to the bone, but now I wanna carve out, here's the bone. Let's go and see if we can carve around the bone, a perfect thing for a paring knife. Then we can like just slice through here.
Looks like it's doing a nice job.
It is doing a nice job. It is doing a really nice job. Like that. And then we have a little grizzle we were stuck on there. But that's so nice to carve around the bone. Like for it to cut a big honking piece of ham like this, that is a reasonably decent testament as to the quality and sharpness of the blade. Let's try this. Some serious surgery here. There we go. Again,
that did really good.
This is a nice hunk of ham too. All right, so we cut up some fruit, which it is obviously designed for. We did some intricate carving of a giant chunk of ham, and it did that well. So I've got to give it a really good grade. I think I'm going to give this, I want to give it a 5 out of 5. I just don't like to give away free 5 out of 5s. So I'm going to give it a 4.5 out of 5 on the Doug score for no reason other than I like to be stingy. So we're going to give it a 4.5 out of 5. I think this is really good. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.